There is something incredible happening right now. There is a war between small retail investors and a big institutional investors, and small investors are winning right now. Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we will look at the GME stock, GameStop stock. I will show you how it all started, what events and consequences lead to the price to soar up so high up, and I will just help you understand what's going on and what's happening. So before we dive deeper into it, just consider liking this video if you find it valuable so more people can see it. So let's get into it. All right, so what did happen? How come the stock soared up so high up, incredible 1900%? In order to understand that, we need to go a little bit back and understand what is GameStop. So GameStop is the world's largest video game retailer. They have over 5,500 stores worldwide. They weren't doing so good in so many years. I mean, if you just look at the graph from mid 2016, their stocks was trading around $30 per share, but it was declining all the way to like mid 2020, where it was trading for little over $4. And that's when things started moving around. Investors like Ryan Cohen or Michael Berry saw potential in it and started buying GameStop stock. GameStop also closed up a multi-year partnership with Microsoft. And in June 11, 2020, they reported a huge jump in online sales, which was 519%. So this was nice background, but where it all started was a group of small investors like you and I on Reddit, on a sub channel called the Wall Street Bets. They found out that 138% of the GameStop stock is shorted by a huge mutual fund manager like Melvin Capital or Citadel. So they were like, all right, so if 140% of the shares are shorted, if we can drive up the price a little higher, they will be forced to buy in because they don't want to lose more money, which will drive the price even higher. In order for you to understand it better, I prepared short illustration how short selling works so you can understand it better. So let's look at it. So how does the shorting work? So you sell the shares that you don't own and you hope for the price to go down. Let me explain. So in this case, you are person B. So the price of the share is $10 per share. What you will do is you will borrow the share, 1S or one stock, from person C, and you will sell it for $10. You hope for price to go down. So let's say it works out and the price goes down to $5. Once that happens, you will pay $5 to person A, and in return, they will give you one stock or one share. Now, you bought it for 10, but you sold it for 5. So you have a profit of $5, and you take the share that you got back and you return it to a person that you borrowed it from. So you didn't own any shares and you made clean profit of $5. All right, now imagine the same case scenario, but the price doesn't go down as you hoped or expected, but it goes other way around, it goes up. So let's say the price goes to $20 per share, $30 per share, $100 a share. I mean, higher it goes, more money is person B losing, because they still own that one share to person C, and eventually they have to return it. So in order for them not to lose more and more money, if the price keeps climbing up, they will start buying back. And that's what's happening right now. So the small retail investors are forcing those big guys, big mutual fund investors to buy the shares back, and that keeps increasing the price even more. And that's why it's so beautiful in my opinion. So now, when you know what happened and what is happening right now, where do you think the price will go? Do you think it will keep climbing up or it goes back down? I mean, as we are speaking right now, there is still 120% of all shares shorted by big institutions. So if the small retail investors don't give up, that price can just keep climbing up to the moon. But I'm just so excited about it, and I can't wait to see what's gonna happen on Monday. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you are as excited as I am about this situation. And if you did like it, hit that like button below. It will really help me out here, and I will see you soon. Stay tuned.